It's the 4th of July in Port Richey, Florida. But this is no ordinary grand finale. A tent loaded with fireworks has gone up in flames. The explosive blaze nearly incinerated customer Andrea Bergman and her 5-year-old son, Griffin.
Everything was burning, burning, burning. I couldn't get out. It was like a nightmare. I said, Griffin, run. Run, Griffin, run.
The two escaped as $70,000 worth of bombs erupted at their backs. Firefighters move in cautiously, knowing they too could be pummeled by the random assault of rockets.
Griffin has 2nd and 3rd degree burns. I had 2nd degree burns all over my legs. I'll be scarred for life, literally, physically and mentally.
3 fireworks hit me, but my mom, more fireworks hit her. I was okay. We was lucky we was still alive, but my mom was almost dead though, but she's still lucky too.
On a day commemorating the battle for independence, Andrea and her son are glad they didn't become casualties of war.